Hello, I'm Julie Dent with Academic Technology, and welcome to this Blackboard training tutorial. The topic for this video is creating weighted grade columns. From your Blackboard course, click the arrow to the right of Grade Center on the control panel. Click or mouse over the Create Calculated Column button and select Weighted Column. Enter the column name in the field provided. A shorter name for this column can be entered in the Grade Center name field. This cannot exceed 15 characters. If desired, enter a description for the column. This text will be visible to students. The primary display reflects how the grade is presented in the Grade Center. Default display options will be listed, as well as any custom grading schemas. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will leave percentage selected. The secondary display offers an additional display option for the same column. We will leave none as the value selected. To associate this column with a specific grading period, click the drop-down arrow. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will leave none selected. Choose which columns to include in the weighted grade total by selecting the column name. To select multiple columns not listed consecutively, press the Control key while clicking on each column and select the arrow to the right. If desired, you may also select categories associated with grade columns. Enter the weight percentage for each item listed in the selected column section. Percentages must total 100%. The Calculate as Running Total option only includes items that have grades or attempts. Selecting No includes all items in the calculations. Items with no grade will be given a value of 0 as part of the calculation. For this example, we will leave the option set to Yes. Under the Options section, there are 3 different selections to consider. Include this column in Grade Center calculations is set to Yes by default. Changing this value to No will exclude it from Grade Center calculations. Show this column to students is also set to Yes by default. Changing this value to No will hide this column from students in My Grades, the Students view. Show Statistics, Average and Median for this column to students in My Grades is set to No by default. Changing this value to Yes will display column statistics in My Grades. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will leave all values set to default. Click Submit to complete the process. From the full Grade Center view, we see the Weighted Assignments column has been created. Thank you. This tutorial has been developed by the Information Technology Division of Western Kentucky University. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the IT Help Desk at 270-745-7000.